Let us talk about the upgrade card, part credit card, part personal loan, and kind of a game changer. As you can see right here, it has a cash rewards. It has a 1.5% cash rewards. So it works like a credit card, but payments are split into fixed monthly installment. It has a more structure, less temptation. It has no annual fee and reports to all three credit bureaus. The cons for this is that it has no revolving credit flexibility. Once you spend, you're locked into a payoff loan or plan. Its interest may vary as low as 14%, but can go over 30% based on your credit. It is not ideal if you carry a balance or want traditional rewards. So the final verdict for this is that the upgrade card is great if you want a predictable payments and need help staying disciplined. It is like a credit card with training wheels, but in a good way.